Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. This time, well, we're just going to do something different. I was burning the midnight oil here. I've been working late at the shop this evening and decided to take a break, and then got a video idea. So I drug out this old Cobra 148 GTL that's been under the shelf that I've been just did some repairs on. It was a trade-in on another radio I had and needed some work, and I said, well, let's find out what's really going on about this radio. So as you know, we believe in running clean and you know, proper tune-ups and stuff and alignments, and I put an alignment on this radio. So what I was wondering is the only real way to test to know if the radio is doing what it should is we could test the linearity of the sideband transmitter, the sideband side. And the only way to really do that is what's called a two-tone test. So we figured that's something that's not discussed very often, and I haven't seen anything on it, so we figured, hey, why not? Let's do a two-tone test on this 148, and let's just see what the real deal is. So what we're going to do now is basically just show you it's we're in upper sideband. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1 audio, and say the radio's working fine, everything's great. So what we're going to do, we're going to disconnect the microphone. And I've already got my system set up here, and we'll go into that. So part of my machine here is a RF generator, and to generate the tones, it's got two generators in one, just for that reason, to generate. I'm getting my machine plugged here, my interface plugged in to the radio here. So a prerequisite for this test is that the two tones that we're going to inject into the radio cannot be harmonic of the other. So what we're going to use is a very common 1.330 kilohertz and a 750 hertz tone. That's what we're going to use. Now, if you inject a single tone into a sideband radio, you're going to get, basically what you're going to get is this. We'll just show you. You're going to get a carrier. Okay? If you inject, let's turn this down a little bit. Let's get it where we're about two divisions. Now, I've already aligned this radio. We're good and clear on spectrum analyzer, and we're looking right there. Now that's injecting one tone. So now that's the 1.3330 kilohertz. Now we're going to turn on the 750 hertz. Now, what should happen is we should get a asymmetrical wave, perfect wave on the if we're doing this right, and both tones are at the same amplitude and being injected into the radio properly. And if this 148 is indeed linear, meaning it does reproduce the signal that is being input to it. Linear means we are faithfully reproducing the signal that is being put into the transmitter or amplifier. We could also run this test with an amplifier in line to find out if an amplifier is linear. So here, what we're going to do now is we're going to click on the scope, and there you go. We've got the two tones beating against each other. It's forming a symmetrical wave pattern. So this 148 is indeed linear. Looking really good. So anyway, that concludes this test. So basically it's not something that I've showed before, and it's not really something that hardly anybody showed, you know. So I'm going to start doing these and incorporating these, and you sideband guys, when you send your radios in, and if it's got sideband, we're going to do an alignment on the sideband radio. We'll also perform a sideband two-tone test on camera, so you'll know that your transmitter is indeed linear. So if you guys like this video and you know want more like this, just let me know. It's kind of off the wall. It's not a repair video. It's more of an instructional video, and we kind of like to do things like this and play around, you know. But you got to have the test equipment to do it, and you know, that's our motto, guys. You know, we don't spend every penny that we make off of you when we do work for you. We reinvest into the bench. We've got a lot of money tied up here to be able to give services and do things that nobody else is doing. So anyway, we're going to get out of here. Y'all be safe, be careful, and be kind. I got to get back to the bench. I've got a 29 XLR I'm working on for Mr. Lee, and then I've got several other things, a couple of 5-pills that I'm trying to knock out. So y'all be safe, be careful, be kind. We'll catch you next time. I'm gone. I'll see you. Bye.